we introduced Professor Ashish here, and that I think should be the highlight. He helps with, he teaches students in bachelor's and master's at the Amateur University, and he basically, like he says, is the person who comes in between them and the corporate and the supposed real world. Basically, where you leave off, he picks up. So we would like to hear his experiences, because that pretty much them and us and you hopefully together can make something that a notable citizen, productive and hopefully happy. So, sir.
Thank you, Preeti. Principal ma'am, Vice Principal ma'am, sirs, ma'ams, a very good afternoon to all of you. I'll try to be as brief as possible. I'll try to be as short as possible. I want to start with that. What are the problems that we face? When I take my students to the industry, one of the first things that they tell me is, your boys and your girls, they do not have the ability to make independent decisions. How will they have independent decisions? What you will eat, mummy has been deciding. What you will wear, daddy has been deciding. And what you will write as the answer to the question, your teacher has been deciding. How dare you do anything differently? In fact, entire schooling system tells the students, there will be one right answer to this question, and if you write that one right answer, you will get marks, you will be rewarded, otherwise you will be penalized. Now, ladies and gentlemen, teachers, respected teachers, tell me, which question have you encountered in life where there was one right answer to that? And what do? We expect them to be good boys, good girls, confirm, do everything as we say, till 12th standard, in graduation, and suddenly, once they get a job, 9 to 5, I tell them, 9 to 5, you become innovators. 9 to 5, you become disruptive innovators. 9 to 5, you become emotional and idea adventurers. But after 5 o'clock, you come back straight home, okay? It doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Because the world has changed.